Hi, I'm Lisa Bronner, and helping me today is my dog Sandy. And we're going to give Sandy a bath using Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Castile soap. First we're going to let the water warm. The first thing to do is get the dog completely wet. There we go, Sandy's born. Then you can squirt some of the Peppermint Castile soap directly onto the dog. And the amount will vary depending upon the size of the dog, the type of hair, length of hair, type of water. But basically you want to put enough on to get a nice good lather. I use the peppermint. I think it smells great. And peppermint oil is known to have some flea repelling qualities, although we're not certified in that. But you can use any of the soaps that you like, any of the Castile soaps that you like. When my Labrador was a puppy, we used the Baby Mild on him. And get all those pieces parts. Now when you're scrubbing the dog, you want to avoid the dog's eyes and the dog's ears, just like you would with us. It would hurt the dog's eyes just as much as it would hurt our eyes. If you do happen to get soap in the dog's eyes, you have to rinse it out. It will be a big bother to do so, but rinsing it out for 10 minutes or so is really what needs to happen. Okay. Now it's time to rinse you off, Sandy girl. Thanks, Sandy. Okay. And just give it a good rinse. Get all those suds out. Okay. And here's Sandy's favorite part. Can you shake? Shake. Can you shake? There we go. Okay. Good girl. There we go. Here's Sandy, nice and clean.